Great question. Photography film is a special kind of picture paper that works in the dark. It helps a camera catch light and turn it into images. How film is made in a factory. First, workers start with a clear, bendy plastic strip. Then, they make a very thin jelly layer called gelatin. Tiny crystals of silver salts are mixed into the gelatin. These crystals change when light hits them. The jelly mix is spread onto the plastic in a super dark, super clean room. It dries into smooth, shiny sheets. The coating is very thin and even. The film is rolled up and cut into pieces for different cameras. Color film has several layers, like a sandwich. One layer sees red light, one sees green, and one sees blue. Fun fact, a roll of 35mm film usually holds 24 or 36 pictures. Why you cannot make film at home. It needs big, careful machines and very clean rooms. It must be done in darkness so light does not ruin it. Special chemicals are used and they must be handled by trained people. How pictures appear on film, a simple view. After you take photos, the film looks blank. The picture is hidden on it. In a dark place, the film goes through special liquids in the right order. The hidden picture shows up on the film as a negative. Light parts look dark, and dark parts look light. Then the film is rinsed and dried. After that, it can be scanned or printed onto photo paper. Fun fact, black and white film and color film are developed in different ways. Try safe, kid-friendly photo fun. Sun prints. You can buy special sun print paper. Put leaves or keys on the paper. Leave it in sunshine for a short time. Then rinse with water. A white shadow picture appears. Do this with a grown-up. Camera obscura. In-hole viewer. Make a simple viewer with a cereal box. Cut a small hole on one end. Tape a piece of wax paper or thin white paper on the other end. Point it toward a bright scene, never at the sun. You will see an upside-down picture on the paper screen. Negative magic. Take a photo on a phone or tablet, then use a negative filter. You will see how film negatives look. Fun facts. Early photos took many minutes to expose. People had to sit very still. Film is covered with millions of tiny crystals. They are too small to see without a microscope. Movie film is like camera film, but it runs very fast through a movie camera. So, creating photography film is a careful factory job with dark rooms, thin layers, and tiny crystals. You can still explore the magic of light and pictures at home with safe activities. Keep asking questions, and maybe visit a photo lab or museum to see real film up close.